गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। कैसे आप लोग? इज एवरीबॉडी हैप्पी? हैप्पी एज वेल एज सेफ एट योर होम्स? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ शिवप्रसाद सर फ्रॉम शिवराज सिंह चिल्ड्रन अकेडमी. Students, today that is on 11th September 2020, in our 12th business studies lecture, as you know already that we have started our chapter number 7, that is directing. In this chapter, directing, in our last lecture we had studied about motivation. Motivation meaning we have studied, as well as features of motivation we have finished up in the last lecture. Students, today we are going to study about leadership. Leadership, it is our today's topic which we are going to learn. In this, first we will discuss the concept of leadership, and after discussing concept of leadership, we will discuss the definition of leadership. After discussing the definition of leadership, we will cover in this lecture itself features of leadership. So these are the things which we are going to learn today. Let's start without wasting our time. The leadership. Dear students, leader से leadership ये वर्ड बना है. Leader is a person who is having the quality to influence others. Leader is a person who has quality to influence others. Means what? The person who can influence others is leader. By the way, leader has some followers also. Without followers, one cannot become leader, because as I told you that influencing others, it is called as leadership. Influencing others means the person who want to become leader, he should be influential person. If he or she cannot influence others, he is not able to divert, not able to change the minds of others, then cannot become leader. A study shows that a normal person, whatever the abilities he has, of his total abilities, he or she utilizes only 60% of the abilities throughout the life. What did I say? A study shows that research is done on the human being, and it is the conclusion is drawn like this, that on an average people utilize their abilities, their qualities, their talent, whatever they have, total of their life, means throughout their life how much they have utilized. So the result comes 60%. It means that the 40% of their capacity, of their capability, of their ability, of their talent, of their knowledge is not utilized throughout their life. So now the question is how that remaining 40% will be utilized, how the people will give their 100% with full dedication and with full enthusiasm. The answer is leadership. Leadership refers to influencing others in such a manner to do what, I repeat, it refers to influencing others in such a manner to do what the leader wants them to do. Means what? Suppose I am your leader. So I will influence you in such a manner that you will do that which I want you to do. Means you will work, you will do according to my wish. How it is possible? It is possible. If I am a leader, then I will influence you, and because of my influence, you will do what I want. The same thing I told you numerically, that a study shows that people utilize their abilities, their knowledge, their capacity only up to 60%, and the 40% remains unutilized. So leader influence them in such a manner that the employees or the followers will give their 100% with enthusiasm, with dedication, willingly I am saying. Means I will not compel you, the leader will not compel you to do the work, but willingly, happily, खुशी खुशी अपने मन से आप अपना 100% दे के डालेंगे. Dear students, since we are students of management, so management, or we can say manager, must possess the quality of leadership, because we have studied to manage means to get the work done from others. To manage means, management means to get the work done from others. So without the quality of leadership, how it is possible for a manager to get the work done from others? It means that manager must possess the quality of leadership. I told you the meaning of leadership, that leadership means the quality or the ability of influencing others. Influencing others for what? Influencing others that they will do what a leader want. Means you will work according to my wish, and then only I will be able to get the work done from you. I hope you're getting me. Because manager is very efficient person, manager is very influential person. So this ability to influence others is called as leadership. Now, I think the meaning is clear to all of you. Let's talk about the definition. Dear student, the very easy and simple definition given by George R. Terry. George R. Terry has given the very simple definition. Leadership is the ability. Leadership, I am reading the statement which is given by George R. Terry. Leadership is the ability of influencing people. Leadership is ability of influencing people to strive willingly for mutual objectives. I repeat the statement. Leadership is the ability of influencing people to strive willingly. Willingly मतलब अपना मर्जी से, खुशी खुशी. Same thing I told you earlier, that with 100% dedication, with 100% enthusiasm for mutual objectives. What is this mutual objectives? It is for common goal. Common goal, for goal of the organization. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is that leadership is that process through which the people in a group are influenced. Leadership is that process through which people in a group are influenced. And the person who is influencing them is manager, that is leader, in such a manner that they automatically start using their full capacity for the attainment of collective objective. Collective objective in the sense that common goal. You have studied already that management is goal oriented. You have learnt already in first chapter, management is goal oriented. So leadership is a process through which the people in a group are influenced. Leadership is a process through which people in a group are influenced in such a manner they will start working automatically with their full capacity for the attainment of collective objective, or that for that common goal. Yes, dear students, so now I think the meaning of leadership as well as definition of leadership is clear to all of you. If something remains in your mind which is not yet cleared, then it will be get clear when we will discuss the features of leadership. So let's start with the features of leadership. The very first point, influencing process. Leadership is nothing but influencing process. इतना देर से मैं आपको वही समझाने का प्रयत्न कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to explain you this only, that it is a process. Leadership is a process of influencing others. My dear student, I am just giving you one example. Example थोड़ा different है, थोड़ा हटके है. आजकल के सो कॉल्ड धर्मगुरु, सो कॉल्ड धर्मगुरु लोग, आपने भी टीवी में डिफरेंट चैनल्स पे देखा होगा. कोई एक साधु, कोई एक महात्मा सामने गद्दी पे बैठा हुआ है और उसके सामने सैकड़ों लोगों की भीड़ है. ये साधु जो बैठा है, महात्मा जो बैठा है, ये अपना प्रवचन लोगों को सुना रहा है. वो प्रवचन सुनते सुनते अचानक वो गाने भी लगता है. सुनाते सुनाते अचानक वो गाने भी लगता है. साइड में देखा होगा कुछ वो ढोल और मंजीरा लेके लोग भी बैठे रहते हैं. मतलब वो प्रवचन भी चल रहा है, उसमें भजन भी चल रहा है. फिर आप देखते हैं कुछ लोग उठ के अपनी जगह पे डांस भी करने लगते हैं, नाचने भी लगते हैं. Yes, have you observed this scene? Have you seen this? Such type of channels or such type of video clippings. Have you seen? You must have seen. So what I want to explain with this example? I want to explain with this example that the person who is sitting over there, sadhu or that Baba has influenced people like this through his pravachans and bhajans. ऐसा उसने प्रवचन दिया, ऐसा उसने भजन सुनाया कि उसका इन्फ्लुएंस लोगों के दिल दिमाग पर हुआ और सब उसको फॉलो करने लगे. कोई उसमें उठ के डांस करने लगा, कोई साथ साथ में गाने लगा. होता है ऐसा सीन, अक्सर देखने को मिल जाता है. यस और नो? तो इसमें क्या समझ में आया? ये एग्जाम्पल में ये समझ में आया कि इन्फ्लुएंसिंग प्रोसेस. सेम ऐसा ही कुछ स्टोरी यहाँ पे भी है जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, लीडरशिप. चलो, वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. आई एम गिविंग यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स. मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लूँगा, जस्ट एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स you that must have come across, you must have observed, you must have seen, you must have watched on news channels that many a times we listen that so and so leader is coming over there, rally is there, और उसमें हजारों लोगों का भीड़ होता है. हजारों. Many a times we listen that lakhs of people were there in that rally, in that gathering. वो नेता का भाषण सुनने के लिए हजारों लोगों का भीड़ होता है. How come? How it happened that the thousands and lakhs of people gather over there and they start acting upon the orders and instructions given by that leader. देखा होगा आपने ये सीन. How? What is answer? Answer is influencing process. Leadership is influencing people, that process. That leader has influenced them. ये मैंने एग्जाम्पल आपको बाबा का दिया, एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको पॉलिटिकल लीडर का दिया. वही आप कंपनी के बारे में सोचो, मैनेजर के बारे में सोचो. आई एम योर मैनेजर, you are working under me, you are my subordinates, so I will influence you in such a manner that you will start working automatically. You will start working for what? You will start working for achieving our that common goal. We know that management is group activity. So group activity, so who will influence that group? The manager will influence the group with his leadership quality. So I think that first feature is clear to all of you. First one which we discuss is influencing process. The first point, influencing process. This we discussed just now. Influencing process. Second one, behavior changing process. Leadership has the power to change the behavior of their followers. A manager who has this ability gets better work performance from his subordinates. Behavior changing. Behavior changing means what? Because of leadership, because of that manager, the followers will change their behavior and they will start working according to manager. Third one which we are going to discuss is interpersonal relationship between leader and followers. Interpersonal relationship between leader and followers. My dear students, without followers, leadership is not possible. Means what? जो लीडर होता है उसके फॉलोअर्स भी होते हैं. मैं लीडर हूं लेकिन मेरे कोई फॉलोवर्स ही नहीं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. यस, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. क्यों? क्योंकि जब फॉलोवर्स ही नहीं तो मैं लीड किसको करूंगा? जब फॉलोवर्स ही नहीं है तो मैं लीड किसको करूंगा? तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूं, इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, interpersonal leadership between leader and followers. A leader has to maintain interpersonal relationship with their followers. Next point which we are going to discuss is achieve common goals. ये तो पहले मैंने कवर कर लिया. Achieving common goal. While discussing meaning as well as definition, we have already covered this point. We have already covered this feature. I told you the definition of George R. Terry. What was the statement of George R. Terry? Leadership is the ability of influencing people to strive willingly for mutual objectives. Mutual objectives means common objectives, common goal. Through the leadership quality, the leader tries to achieve the common goal of the organization. Last feature which we are going to discuss is continuous process. It is continuous process. Yes, of course, it is continuous process. एक बार मैंने इन्फ्लुएंस कर दिया, मैं आपका लीडर हूँ, मैं आपका मैनेजर हूँ, तो मैंने एक बार आपको इन्फ्लुएंस कर दिया एंड यू स्टार्टेड योर वर्क, तो क्या ऐसा है कि आप दोबारा इन्फ्लुएंस करने का जरूरत नहीं होगा? इज इट सो दैट देयर विल नॉट बी नीड टू इन्फ्लुएंस यू? नो, ऐसा नहीं है. जब तक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तब तक कुछ ना कुछ गोल सेट होता रहेगा. तो जाहिर सी बात है वो गोल को अचीव करने के लिए लीडरशिप इज रिक्वायर्ड. यस और नो? क्योंकि एक गोल अचीव कर लिया तो उसके बाद दूसरा गोल सेट होगा. ये जो एक गोल अचीव किया वहाँ पे लीडर था, उसका लीडरशिप क्वालिटी था. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लीडरशिप क्वालिटी म्यूचुअली दे अचीव द गोल. सो आफ्टर accomplishing that goal, next goal will be set. So when the next goal will be set, at that time once again there will be need and requirement of leadership. So that's why this last feature is it is continuous process. My dear students, I hope to all of you the concept of leadership is clear, as well as the definition is also clear, and these 5 features over here I have written 4 features. That is, it is influencing process, it is behavior changing, interpersonal relationship between a leader and followers, it is for achieving the common goal, and last one which I have not written over here but we discussed that it is continuous process. So like these 5 features we discussed today. So dear students, I think the meaning of leadership is clear, definition of leadership is clear, as well as the features of leadership is clear to all of you. Don't get confused with the motivation and leadership. First you watch my video which was our last lecture, motivation, the features of motivation, and then you will be able to understand easily this leadership. Okay? If any doubt, then you can write it in comment box or you can call me. Okay? So once again, thank you very much for kind cooperation. Enjoy yourself. That's all for the day.